Thank you so much for tuning in, Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna do install of the side molding, and this is the new color that Mitsubishi has for the 2025 Outlander. It's called Moonstone Gray Metallic, and we have a new product, side moldings for the Moonstone Gray Metallic. So it's gonna be body color matching. It's going to be nice to see how it turns out, and this is do-it-yourself install video. It's fairly easy to install these accessories. You can order them directly through my accessory website, mrmitsubishi.ca. I do free shipping to Canada, US, and pretty much anywhere in the world. And what you need is you need to prep the surface. I cleaned it already with a glass cleaner, but degrease it, clean it, make sure it's clean. And don't do it in a direct sunlight so the metal is not too hot. So right now we have early morning, and it's a bit of a shadow the way I parked the car, so it's a perfect time to do it. And you need masking tape. You'll see why in a bit. And just don't rush, take your time and you'll do great. So let's get going. Let's add these accessories now, and we'll see the end result. Okay, let's check out a little bit closer what we have here. So we'll start with the driver's door, and then we'll do the passenger door. The passenger door is a little bit trickier because you have these Outlander letters that you need to peel off the tape that's behind here on the back, like one by one. You'll see what I mean. So right now, let's get going. Let's line up where we want to be, and then it's super easy from there on. I always want to prep the masking tape, add it here just to make sure that we can line up the side molding exactly where we want it to be. And again, just remember, don't rush, take your time. Once you've done it a few times like I have, it's fairly easy and fast, but the first time, I was literally taking my time and making sure I don't screw anything up. So here's what we do. We place the side molding right around this line right here, and we want to match it exactly where we want to be. So you can choose if you want to maybe a little bit higher, a little bit lower, whatever you want to do is fine, but I always install them just above this line right here. And we got to make sure it's all nice and straight. And then we add this piece of masking tape right here. Okay, we're happy with this. Then we get the next piece, and you get the idea. So once we have them lined up exactly where we want to be, we always want to sort of step a little, step back a little just to make sure that yes, that's exactly how and where we want them to be. We're happy with what we see here. If you're not happy for some reason, you can always, readjust, and maybe even like this part, we'll make it a little bit higher. I see it's not perfect lineup. Okay, now we're very, very happy. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, now that we have that, we flip it over like this, and we see we have this red tape right here. We just want to remove it. And now it's a very important moment because it's super sticky. If you don't get it right, you'll be in trouble. So want to flip it back over like this. And make sure it's exactly the same spot. Everything's good. Okay, nice. I forgot my fiber cloth in the office, but I'll clean it later. But once it's on, then you want to stick it on a little bit. Remove the tape. And now we have this chrome line right here. And again, we just want to place it up top. Okay, make sure it lines up. Everything is good. And you don't need the masking tape for this one. Again, you just want to make sure it sits properly where you want to be. Then you want to remove it. And once it's removed, again, this one is the tricky part, just to make sure you don't rush. Okay, you line it up. Oh, I got it a little bit too high. Okay, let's sit this part first. Okay, got it. And now we line it on top of this molding right here. Okay, once we have it, perfect, we push it down like this. And again, with that fiber cloth, you want to just cover it and push it a little bit harder. It takes a few days to really harden. In the summertime, it happens really, really fast, and then you can go through car washes and everything else. You want to make sure that these corners are always pressed nicely, that they're not going to peel off. It's a good product. We've used it for many, many years. Okay, so now we have the driver door set. Now let's proceed with the Outlander. Same deal with the passenger door side molding. You want to prep the masking tape, and once you have it, it's exactly the same procedure that with the front door. So you got to make sure there's this little bit of a tape on here, like leave that tape there, because that holds these letters in place, so we can see how each letter individually, you got to peel it off. So we do the same thing here. Line it up. We find that perfect placement. There you go. Okay, we are happy with what we see. Okay, again, flip it over. And first, I always like to peel off the letters, because initially I did a few times a mistake where I peeled off the red, the big tape rod surrounding it first, and only then letters, but everything around it was super sticky. So the letters first works the best. And again, once you've done it a few times, it's quite fast and easy, but for the first few times, again, just, you know, take your time. Don't rush, not a competition or anything. Main thing is to make sure that you're happy with the end result, no matter how long it might take. Okay, so we're done with the letters. Now we want to peel off the main sticker, and again, do it carefully. Make sure all the letters stay in there, they don't fall out. That's also an important thing. Flip it over gently, slowly. Make sure the lineup is still good and where you want to be. Okay, we got it. And now we can press these letters a little bit individually as well, just to make sure that they stick nicely like that. And once we have done all that, then we can remove this protective tape. We don't want it then anymore. We don't need it. Look at that, nice and shiny. And we want to also add the chrome line. So same deal like with the main driver door. We just place it to make sure it's gonna sit exactly where we want to be. We remove the red tape and place it where it's gotta be. And again, don't rush, take your time. It's very, very sticky. And you don't want to remove it too many times like I did. Okay, perfect. And again, I'll get my fiber cloth in a second here, but you want to stick it on like this, press it harder. Okay, there we go. Let's step back a little bit and enjoy it. Same procedure we're going to repeat on the other door, but look at that. Nice body colored Moonstone Gray metallic. I really like how it's matching the color with the body color, exactly the same paint coat. And we have Outlander letters here. We have nice chrome line on top, and I think overall design wise it just works really well. We have chrome here, we have silver roof rails. It looks really good. So these side moldings, I have them at my store, pretty much all colors. You can see it by yourself. Make a selection that you want to have it on your Outlander and do the video yourself. So there we go. We just installed beautiful set of side moldings on the brand new 2025 Outlander with a beautiful Moonstone Gray metallic. I really love this color, and now it looks even better. So thank you so much for joining me here today, and see you next time.